Established since 1991, Advanced Diesel Engineering have grown into a leading global supplier of custom-designed power generation solutions. Serving a diverse range of industry sectors with a growing high-profile client portfolio, including banks, data centers, telecoms, prisons, nursing homes and hospitals, where an effective and reliable power supply is critical. The dedicated management team at ADE contribute their expertise and experience within the industry to develop, manage and distribute advanced diesel products. Where customer requirements exceed the specification of a standard generator package, ADE provide planning, design and technical assistance in all aspects of standby power generation. A complete bespoke solution with every stage of a project directly controlled by ADE. Advanced Diesel Engineering's vast warehouse facilities enable the company to hold significant stock and are specialists in all major brands of power generation. For current availability, check the website at www.adeltd.co.uk, which is constantly updated. ADE's own in-house 90,000 square foot manufacturing facility covers a broad range of disciplines, utilising the very latest and specialist machinery, manufactured to the tightest of tolerances. Creating custom containerized substations to piping a fuel supply, the dedicated workforce, teams of sheet metal workers, welders, paint technicians and skilled engineers guarantee only the best quality of workmanship is upheld. The inspection control facilities utilizes the latest technology, constantly monitoring processes. Analysis procedures are all employed to ensure the product is right first time. The unbeatable combination of being able to design, manufacture and install all in-house enables the company to provide solutions without the time delays sometimes associated with using third parties. ADE have total control and can confirm delivery dates with confidence. With excellent customer service, the dedicated teams are empowered and encouraged to exceed customer expectations. As part of this service, ADE offers service programs. Service contracts are tailored to individual requirements, with highly regarded engineers available 24 hours a day. For prime power or standby, if there is a generation challenge, Advanced Diesel has the solution.